Welcome to the flowerschool.com Video Resource Library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today we're here to look at a luxurious evergreen wreath, perfect to adorn your door. The base, a standard evergreen wreath that I purchased pre-made. Then I enhanced with foraged materials, some nandina berries, some magnolia, eastern red cedar, to make it stunning and fabulous. You'll find that technique in your Tulip Tuesday library. The orchids, beautiful bronze cymbidiums. As you choose them, pick them off from the bottom. Using the lower blooms first leaves the upper to add to an arrangement later, or who knows, maybe you'll go through them all. Then, taking each bloom, giving it a cut, and then using a water tube. Cut the neck so it's not too tight, and slide the orchid right down in. Do that with each bloom. Then using your hot glue gun, a little bit of glue on the back of the tube, and slide it right into place, nestling it within the evergreens. To finish, gather wonderful findings. I went outside and found so many different pine cones and pods, sweet gum, and just glue those in place, adding a little more texture, a little more excitement. Then if you like some brightness, using millimeter balls. You can use them in huge clusters or break them down. I'm going to use them in clusters, just folding the end, little glue, and then placing it down inside. And repeat that all around the wreath. Then when you're done, spray it down with Crowning Glory. Saturate so it will last as long as possible. The recipe, I started with a 14-inch wreath base and one stem of cymbidium orchids. Then everything else, I just foraged and hunted. Some extra berries, evergreens, cones, pods, balls. You can use absolutely anything. Use your imagination. Look around outside, see what looks fabulous, and glue it in place. Creating an evergreen wreath that's unique, luxurious, and fabulous is easy. And it really gets you into that holiday spirit. You'll find more inspiration on our website at flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there or pick up the phone and call us at 503-223-8089. Now it's your turn. Create an amazing wreath. Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.